Good morning and welcome to day 4 of the Arrington Westward Adventure. Today we're driving down, we're heading en route to PCH, Pacific Coast Highway, and we're going to drive down that a bit, just kind of tour, sightsee, be tourists, so should be pretty fun. Definitely getting a feel today as we're driving through kind of like, I guess, the valley, or we drove through a lot of the valley last night, but how dry California is. Like, wow. They need some H2O, dog. This is crazy. So we've been sitting in traffic for probably about an hour. We probably moved about 2 miles. We were navigating with our car's GPS, but then I was like, hey, Google Maps can like account for traffic, so we'll just use that, right? Well, it took us off the highway, and we're just chilling in this residential neighborhood, just looking at these beautiful houses and just sitting here talking, chatting. Checked Waze. Everything is red up. We're in the Los Gatos area, and it's just everything is just standstill. It's ridiculous. Like, it's so sad to know, like, if you could just get a few more miles and you'd be out of it, but for some reason it's just total gridlock here. So looks like today's California adventure will be sitting here looking at the back of a Lexus RX 350. We have finally reached where we were going. What took 30 minutes, or it took 3 hours, should have taken about 30-40 minutes, but it's California. Slight wardrobe change required. It's a lot colder out here with the wind than I thought it was going to be, so I had to put on this nice warm wool shirt on. And now we're good to go. Beautiful day here in Santa Cruz.
Wow, he's naked.
What?
A man.
Who's naked?
Butt naked.
I don't see a naked person.
Right up the ridge and everything.
Oh my gosh.
Laying like a beached whale. Yeah, all those people down there. It's a nude beach.
Yay, nude beaches. Shoot. That's nuts. Well, you never know what's going to happen when you turn the camera on. You're going to walk by a nude beach. Guys, I've forgotten how much I flippin' love the beach. Like, this is so awesome. We really haven't vacationed at the beach in a while. We've been kind of going on different adventures and stuff like that, but the beach, it's fantastic. Just super chill. Super chill. Just so peaceful, you know, you just can't beat it. You can't beat it. guys remember we were talking about it being dry earlier? Well, as you can see, this fire is pretty crazy over here on the west coast. We're driving here along the Pacific Coast Highway. It almost seems apocalyptic. Like, you got the smoke post-apocalyptic smoke everywhere. Like, lots of cars are like going that direction and we're going this direction. It's kind of like, do people know something that we don't know? So, if you're watching this, then we made it out alive. If not, then
see you on the other side.
We'll see you on the other side. Wonder how you get to the beach. Alright guys, we just got done taking some pics at McWay Falls. Golden hour on the Pacific Coast is fantastic. What do you think?
Looks pretty like a beaut.
Looks like a beaut. She's a beaut. She is a beaut, ain't she?
Yep.
She's a beaut.
You're welcome.
Yeah, hey, pro tip from this chick to check this place out. So, McWay Falls, on the PCH, Highway 1,
you gotta go.
way to go. Oh, but I feel like you gotta hit it at golden hour. Like, right now, the next hour of sunlight is gonna be the best sunlight. It's the best. It's gonna be the best. Bye, Hannah.
Bye.
And there she goes. So we've been driving along the Pacific Coast Highway and you can kind of tell the sun's just peaked below. It's getting dark now outside. We've been driving the Pacific Coast Highway for a couple hours and holy cow, this thing is so awesome. It's just really like, it's amazing how long it is and just around every corner is just breathtaking scenic views. So that's what we've mainly been doing for the past couple hours, is just driving down the PCH, Highway 1, just, you know, taking in the views. Unfortunately, we've kind of got a little too deep into the PCH and our timeline is kind of messed up. So now we're not going to be getting back or getting to Anaheim until super late. So that should be interesting. But thankfully, just got done doing some drone flying. Every time I fly the drone over water for some reason, I just get so, just so nervous. I don't understand. I don't know really why. I'm just like, oh my gosh, don't crash it, don't crash it, don't crash it, don't crash it, don't crash it. But the thing is, like, flying over water in a drone is really no different than flying over land. Because if your drone crashes at 200 feet or something happens and it just goes, you know, hits the ground from 200 feet, it's gonna be done. It's gonna be totally done sauce. If your drone hits the water from any altitude, it's gonna be done sauce. So it's really not that much different, because if you crash it over land, it's done sauce, but it's still, I don't know, something about being over water just is like, ooh, gosh, it worries me a bit. So anyways, you'll see some of those awesome drone shots now.
Somewhere beyond the sea, somewhere waiting for me, my lover stands on golden sands and watches the ships that go sailing somewhere beyond the sea. She's there watching for me. If I could fly like birds on high, then straight to her arms I'd go sailing. It's far beyond the star, it's near beyond the moon. I know beyond a doubt my heart will lead me there soon. We'll meet beyond the shore, we'll kiss just as before. Happy we'll be beyond the sea, and never again I'll go sailing. No more sailing, so long sailing, bye-bye sailing without captain.
So we just pulled over to try to look at some sea lions, and it was dark, so we couldn't see any. You could hear them, which was pretty cool, but you couldn't see any because it was dark. It was actually kind of scary because you could hear them. They were making these really like violent sounds, and you couldn't see them, so you're like, are they just gonna pop up here and kill me? But luckily, no sea lion attacks. But what we did get to do is see the most stars that I think I've ever seen in my life. I'll roll in some pictures. I'm not a good astrophotographer, but man, so awesome. So flippin' awesome. What's up, guys? It's currently 1:33. We're about an hour away from Anaheim. We're just rolling down the 101 south down through California. Dad's been putting in most of the heavy lifting for the driving. Actually, he's been putting in all the heavy lifting for the driving, which has been awesome. Props to him for getting it done. I've been sitting here editing some, which has been really cool. Awesome thing about this Tahoe is it has a built-in power inverter, so I just plug my laptop in, sit here and edit to my heart's delight. So yeah, just finished day 3 video, so this is day 4, so I'm gonna try to get a little bit of that done tonight. At least try to get the premiere project started and all that fun stuff. But anyways, really appreciate you guys watching this. Thanks for joining us. We're gonna have more adventures the next couple of days. But I'm gonna end the vlog here. Just not much more gonna be going on tonight. So until next time, peace.